أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى ولسوف يعطيك ربك فترضى ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث.
By the morning brightness and by the night when it is still, thy guardian Lord hath not forsaken thee, nor is he displeased. And the hereafter is better for you than the first life. And your Lord is going to give you, and you will be satisfied. Did he not find you an orphan and give you refuge? And he found you lost and guided you, and he found you poor and made you self-sufficient. So as for the orphan, do not oppress him, and repulse not the beggar. But as for the favor of your Lord, report it.
فإذا قرأناه فاتبع قرآنه.
And when we have recited it to you, O Muhammad, through Gabriel, then follow the Quran's recital.